I'm going to show you some lovely tricks which will help you for all your calculations. You've been hearing about magic, but today I'll show you magic in maths. Not only that, we have a whiz kid here who is God gifted, I would say, but has a liking for maths and has been under my coaching for the last 5 or 6 months. He'll demonstrate how fast he can, calculate big numbers. You'll be there to witness it. You are here to witness it, and then I'll be, showing you all these things. So can we start? I'll call upon my whiz kid, Mr. Rohan Jasani, who will give you, show you a few tricks. I'll be asking him a few questions, see how he answers, and I'll explain you after that what is Vedic maths. I'll give you a brief idea as to what it is and how you can use it in your day-to-day affairs and even in your school. In German school, Master Rohan Jasani, I'll be asking him a few questions, see how he answers, because not only is he fond of maths, he loves to do it. In fact, if I miss a day, he gives me a call and says, "Sir, why haven't you come for my lecture?" So, maths is not boring. It's very interesting. We made it very interesting. Vedic maths is nothing but our old, ancient Indian way of doing mathematics, Indian way of doing things. A lot of parents call me and say about tables. Tables are the backbone of your calculations. So you take a lot of time because we've been learning through rote method, parroting tables. Here in 10 minutes I'll teach you with single digits and double digits. Something like 18 into 19, which you cannot do it otherwise. You have to keep thinking and you will make a lot of mistakes. 22 into 23, or for that matter, anything, any tables, that sort. You just pick up in 10 minutes. I'll be explaining you all those things. But before I start, let me tell you about Vedic maths. It's almost a 3,000 years old way of doing mathematics. But it's only in 1911 that the great mathematician of his time, Bharti Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, His Holiness Bharti Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, expounded this theory further, and he got it into the present system of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Okay, so here I present my whiz kid and a champion here. I call him a champion, and we are friends. Feel free to ask me anything you feel like. Now, Rohan, do you like maths? You hate maths, or you have fear of maths? Maths?
A lot.
Anybody who loves maths or hates maths has fear of maths? Anybody with fear of maths? No, I think you are telling me a lie, because fear is always there with everybody. Am I right? Isn't it? So let's look forward to a great session, and I'm sure you will really enjoy. And I'll be putting some questions to Rohan. Let's see how he answers. If I ask you what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, multiplied by 11. Can anybody answer? Any of you? Can you try? Okay. We'll ask Rohan.
135802469.
Now you might be thinking that he is mucked up at home and I'm asking him the questions which he wants to answer. But he will show you how it can be done, because he knows the method also. Not only that, if I ask him, see, even if you are prepared for home, to face the audience and to face the kids and answer, it takes a lot of guts to do it. So this is just to inspire you, to show when a kid of 6 years old can do this. He's from the German school, age 6 years, and he's gone up till, if I ask him what is the fifth root of any number, that means 25 into 25 into 25 into 25. He will answer you maybe in 30 seconds or in a minute. Okay? So this is the beauty about this. He loves it, so I love to teach it. And I'm sure even you will like. Okay? Now, if I ask you what is 59 square, mind you, 59 square. Square means a number multiplied by itself. 59 into 59.
3481.
I'll prove it how he is doing it and how he is answering so well. It's very simple actually. When I come to squares, I'll be explaining you what he did. 59 square, you take 5 squares separately. 5 square is 25. You add the neighbor 9, that is 34. 9 square 81. Is that what you are doing?
Yes.
So that is 3481. That's so simple. Okay? But I'll be telling you how to go about doing it. I'll be explaining you further. But this is how Vedic maths, tries to help you out. Where don't have to rack your brains to see as to how you can do it. Okay, if I ask you what is 18 into 19? I was thinking. Take some time.
342.
That's absolutely correct. And we'll ask him again, what is 22 into 23? 22 times 23.
506.
Okay, tell me, how did you do it? Can you explain me how did you do it? How did you do this? How did you do this calculation?
First, you multiply 2 and 3. That is 6. Keep it aside.
That is the unit digits of both the numbers, 22 times 23. So you take the unit digits, 2 into 3, 6. He said keep it aside. Okay, we kept it aside.
Then 22 plus 3.
Okay.
23 plus 2 is nothing but 25.
Okay.
Then 25 you add a 0, that is 250. Oh, yeah. So then you do 25 into 2, that's what I forgot. That's 50.
Correct.
Then you add a 0, that's 500. Then 500 plus 6 is 506.
Very good. See, that's how you can do it fast. 22 times 23. Take the unit digits of both the numbers, 2 into 3, 6, keep it aside. Then either you say 22 into 3, which is 25, or you say 23 plus 2, which is 25 again. Now because there is 2 in the front, it goes up by 2 times, no? Multiplying 2 times. Okay, it's a multiplier thing. That becomes 50, 25 becomes 50. Simply add a 0, 500 plus 6 is 506. We can. The best part is when he is in his class, he came home and told his mom, they are teaching me up till 100 and I know up till millions and billions. What do I do? They can't even put me in another class. So that's the beauty. Now his class is doing up till 100 and 200 probably, and he's going up till millions and billions. That's the beauty about it. Thank you, Rohan. Thank you very much.